Hello and welcome to another McMahon Production Toolbox tutorial on After Effects. This one is just going to show you how to just pretty much get started in a new project. So you can either click on the New Composition button here, or you can go to Composition, New Composition. And this is your setup for your new composition. You can name your composition. For now, we'll just leave it Comp 1. And here we have a preset drop down, so if you know exactly what you're working on, you can grab any of the number of presets that they have here, or you can dial in your custom. So you see here as a preset we have HD resolution, which is 1920 width by 1080 pixels height. And our pixel aspect ratio is the ratio of the actual pixel. So we'll stick with square pixels, so every pixel is actually a perfect square. Our frame rate here, it's always good to know what frame rate you're working in if you're going to be delivering for a 24 frames per second project or 23976. So just be sure you know which one you're working with. Resolution, this is just how it displays. It does not affect your final output. When you're working with more effects and some things that will tax your computer, you may want to consider dropping this down in resolution so that the computer can keep up with all those awesome effects you're dropping into your project. Your start time code, we can leave that at 0, but you can certainly change this if you need to. And the duration of your timeline. You can see by default it's at 30 seconds. For me it was at 9 minutes, but we can change that. So to read this, it goes by hours, minutes, seconds, frames. So if you want a 30-second timeline, just make sure you put the 30 here and not here. 30 frames will only essentially give you 1 second. And the background color we'll just leave as black for now. And we hit OK, and then we're all set up and ready to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.